Hey, what's up guys? This is John Spear with Warhammer. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to reset your Samsung Smart TV antenna so you guys can watch some football. So what you're going to want to do is go to settings. You might be able to do that with home and then scroll over to settings, or if you have a settings button, which we do right here, you can press that. And then you're gonna go to broadcasting. You're gonna go just straight down, okay? Which is this button. You're gonna go over one to auto programming. Click on that. And then press start. You're gonna do, if you got cable, you can do both. But if you're just looking for air, you're gonna do just air. Click that. Let it do its thing. This might take, 1 to, I don't know, 3-4 minutes, something like that. See how many channels that we get. About polished up. Alright, looks like we got 54 channels and got the Samsung TV Plus, and then you're gonna just close out of that. Just gonna press this middle button right here. Boop. Go back. Let's return. You can go to guide. See what you got. And now you got football. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Once again, my name is John Spear. Hope you guys have a great day.